Today I will show you how to remote control a computer in the same network. First, you do this to the computer you want to remote control. You go to computer, go to properties, go to remote settings, and go to the remote tab, and go to allow connections from right here. Go to apply, okay. Now go to remote desktop connections. Click the IP address of the computer you're trying to remote control. Go to connect, type in your password. The password is from the user account of that computer, and it should connect. Now your other computer should go to lock, and that's it. Thanks for watching.